Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Gemini Code Assist in Visual Studio Code step by step. If you want AI-powered coding help directly inside your editor from code completion to debugging, this guide will get you up and running in minutes. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Install Visual Studio Code first things first. Make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed. Go to the official website, download and install it for your system. Once installed, open VS Code. Step 2. Install Gemini Code Assist extension. Now let's install Gemini. Open the extensions panel. Click the square icon or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Search for Gemini Code Assist. You'll see the official extension by Google. Click Install. Wait a few seconds for it to finish installing. Step 3. Sign in to your Google account. After installing, you'll need to sign in. Click Sign in with Google. Choose your account. Grant the required permissions. This connects Gemini to your editor. Step 4. Enable Gemini in VS Code. Once signed in, open the command palette, Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Type Gemini. Enable Code Assist, press Enter now. Gemini is active in your workspace. Step 5. Test Gemini Code Assist 2 o'clock. Let's open any file, Python, JavaScript, etc. Start typing a function. You'll notice AI suggestions appearing automatically. You can also right-click, ask Gemini, or use the shortcut to generate code, explanations, or fixes. Step 6. Use key features. Here are some powerful things you can do. Generate code from comments, fix bugs instantly, explain complex code, refactor functions, write documentation, just highlight code and ask Gemini what you need. Pro tips: use clear comments like / generate some code. The better your prompt, the better the output. Combine Gemini with debugging tools for maximum productivity. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gemini Code Assist in Visual Studio Code. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more dev tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for liking and sharing the video. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms for more coding tips, AI tools and tech content every week. The link is in the description box. Subscribe for more AI plus coding tutorials.